I'm here today for another Boston Scaly unboxing video. I've had a gift certificate for a little while I've been sitting on, waiting for a cap I wanted to order, and they just released one I was interested in, and I thought we'd order it. Unboxing knife for the day is my Benchmade Adamas. The cap we ordered today is the Boston Scaly Micky Ward tribute cap. You can see here we got a hat bag, a boxing glove keychain, and we got the Micky Ward tribute cap. Just a moment, let's set the box down here. Got another cap in the box there, but I'm going to do another unboxing video for that one. The cap I'm currently wearing right now is the single panel rappel cap in black. I wear this cap quite a bit. Great cap for summer, for rainy, wet weather. Comes in many colors. This here, again, is the Micky Ward tribute cap. Picture the inside. Got Micky Ward, he's a boxer. Comes with a set of boxing gloves on the back and an embroidered shamrock on the side. Let's try her on. Oh, got a good fit on that. I like that. Tilt the camera up a little bit. There we go. What do you think of that? It's a nice looking cap. I like that one a lot. I also like to wear these 6-panel caps backwards. It's a nice looking cap. I really like that one. And the Micky Ward tribute cap. Got a hat pin. It didn't come with one, but I have one that I want to put on it. See if the camera will focus in on that. Cap I put on there. Thought it went well with the shamrock on the other side. Again, the Micky Ward tribute cap. Again, I like this one. It's a nice looking cap. From Boston Scaly. They probably won't have it for longer than a week or so before it goes out of stock. But they'll bring it back in. I'm gonna go get some shots of it in a better light. Like, subscribe, and share. We opened up a bunch of new merch in our merch store. I'm going to attach a little video to the end of this so you can see some of our new merch. It's a good way to support the channel and get something cool in return. See ya. This is the Boston Scaly Micky Ward tribute cap. I like this one quite a bit. It's in green and oatmeal. It's a nice looking cap. Show you from some different angles. Also has boxing gloves on the front here. Again, that's the Boston Scaly Micky Ward tribute cap. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. This is the Boston Scaly Micky Ward tribute cap. Damn planes. Well, I designed some new merch. It's been a little while. I think I came up with some pretty cool stuff this time. I want to give a shout out to my homie Mark from Reviews with Moose. I'll put a link to his channel in the video description. He helped me out and showed me how to create some images on ChatGPT. So we created 8 new designs, and of those 8 designs we created 6 or 7 products of each. I'm just going to show you those. Right here is the Ryuk and Toki design. It says Ryuk and Toki, best friends. I stuck a picture in ChatGPT of Ryuk with his paw on Toki's shoulder. If you go back on my channel and look a couple of months, you'll see that in the thumbnail. And I asked them to turn them into a cartoon, and this is what I came up with. I think it's pretty cool. There's the back and the front. We also sell this design in a sticker, men's t-shirt, women's t-shirts, tank tops. We also have it in a zip sweatshirt, the front and back, several colors. Pretty happy with how it came out. Here's another one. Like a Shepherd project. That's the front and the back. Again, we offer each of these designs in tank tops, women's and men's t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, so you can get it in several different designs. We also have it in multiple colors. I kind of like that lilac color. This one's pretty cool. It's another Lycan Shepherd project shirt. Again, we finally got some Lycan Shepherd shirts out there. That's the back. There's the front. I designed this one to kind of look like an old oil painting from the 1800s. We have that in the tank top also. Multiple colors of everything. Another design. This is another Toki and Ryuk design. This one's pretty cute. Front and the back. And again, we offer that one in all different kinds of t-shirts, sweatshirts, etc. This one here, Lycan Shepherd project shirt, I kind of made look like an old AC/DC album or Motorhead album cover. Front and back. Here's another one kind of in that same style. And again, we have these in t-shirts, sweatshirts, tanks, coffee mugs, stickers. I like this one quite a bit too. Again, we made several Lycan Shepherd shirts. Here's one of those coffee mugs. So the coffee mug in black, also in white. I like this one quite a bit. Another Lycan Shepherd project shirt. Again, this is a good way to support the channel and get something cool in return. Showing you some of the other products using those logos. This here's a sticker. Here's some more. It's a sticker. Coffee mug. T-shirt. Comes in several colors. This is the woman's comfort tee. We also sell a men's comfort tee. Here are some of my hats. Some of my other merch. Again, I wanted to show you some of this new stuff I created. I think it came out pretty cool. Again, a shout out to Mark from Reviews with Moose for helping me out. You go here to accessories. These are the different stickers I offer. These are the hats. For drinkware, these are the coffee mugs. Apparel and see all the sweatshirts, t-shirts, tanks, everything else. I hope you enjoyed the new designs. Again, it's a good way to support the channel and get something cool in return for your efforts. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again, Mark from Reviews with Moose. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.